Hello everyone, I am Hani Agarwal from the team The Fast and the Curious with my colleague Jyoti Suresh, Sandeep Gupta Koleti and Casper Zhu. So, our proposal for changing the car buying experience of current customer is buy car on the go, the m-commerce way. The agenda for this presentation is brief overview of our recommendation, who is Generation Y, Generation Y buying patterns, current buying process, our solution, simulation, financial benefits and risk involved. So who is Generation Y? Generation Y are the people born in 1980s, 1990s and 2000. What they are looking for? They are looking for high-tech solution. They are fascinated by high-tech ideas. They are willing to adopt new ideas. They are liberal, they are confident and they are open-minded. Some not so positive things about Generation Y is they are lazy. They are more focused on extrinsic values. So let's look at how does Generation Y buy a car. Generation Y spends an estimated of 20 billion in online purchase alone each year. They are fascinated to music, Facebook, texting devices, internet, memes, expensive accessories. They want everything that is in the current trend. So what is their current buying process? So if anyone needs a car right now, what they think? They think what are their needs, where they should look for the car, how much they should spend, what exactly they want, and how they can get the car to their home. Right now they are going to showroom. The online buying of car is not so prevalent. What our easy solution is? QR code enabled shopping experience. What we are proposing is showcasing the car on a 10 feet touch-enabled multimedia screen in public places such as airports, railway stations, retail stores. We are targeting retail stores like Walmart, Target, JCPenney, Macy's, where we know that a lot of customers go every day. This will increase the customer view. This will increase the number of customers seeing the online cars, the car simulation for car experience. The customers can also scan the QR code through their mobiles on these screens to get the financial options, price, talk to the customer service and buy the car through the phone itself. Delivery of the car at the specified address is also available. Everything is through this smart QR code enabled shopping experience. So let's look at some of the financial benefits. So how a car buyer spends, how much extra money a car buyer spends when they go through a dealership showroom. So the current item cost, if we look, so the dealership building cost per car will cost somewhere around $500 to $1,000. The land will cost around $300 to $500. The sales and other personals cost will be around $300. There will be cost for chairs and tables, somewhere around $10. There will be cost for the sign, flags and marketing printouts, somewhere around $10 or $5. So the total extra cost that customer is paying when they go through the dealership showroom is around $1,500 to $2,000. We can save this money through the m-commerce way. Skip dealership, buy car through the m-commerce way and save $1,500. This is our motto for the customers. Some of our recommendations are strategic partnership with huge retailers such as Walmart, Best Buy to enable customers to buy cars in these supermarkets. because we think that most of the customers visit these supermarkets every day. This will give us the more visibility. The customers can take advantage of QR code along with multimedia, social network methods to improve the searching experience and shorten the decision-making process. Optimized delivery of the customers after the order is placed is always through online. The risk. Some of the risks are technological risk, operational risk, and the financial risk. Thank you.